If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The AutoCorrect feature in Microsoft Publisher recognizes common misspellings and automatically corrects them for you. To see the AutoCorrect options in Publisher, click the File tab in the ribbon, and then click the Options command at the left side of the Backstage view. In the Publisher Options dialog box that then appears, click the Proofing category at the left side of the dialog box. Then, click the AutoCorrect Options button that appears to the right to open the AutoCorrect dialog box. In this dialog box, you can check any AutoCorrect options to enable them. To automatically correct mistakes that happen when you accidentally hold the Shift key too long while quickly typing, ensure you check the Correct to Initial Capitals checkbox. To automatically capitalize the first letter of a sentence if you forget, ensure you check the Capitalize First Letter of Sentences checkbox. To automatically capitalize the first letter of text within table cells, ensure you check the Capitalize First Letter of Table Cells checkbox. To automatically capitalize the names of days, ensure you check the Capitalize Names of Days checkbox. To automatically fix accidentally leaving the caps lock key on while typing, ensure you check the Correct Accidental Use of Caps Lock Key checkbox. To exclude words or chains of letters you don't want Publisher to automatically fix, click the Exceptions button to open the AutoCorrect Exceptions dialog box. To add abbreviations after which you do not want Publisher to capitalize the first letter of the following word, add them by using the buttons on the First Letter tab. To add words you do not want Publisher to change when you type them with more than one initial capital letter, add them by using the Initial Caps tab. To add other words you do not want Publisher to automatically correct, add them by using the Other Corrections tab. To add words on all three tabs, type them into the field provided, and then click the adjacent Add button. To delete a word on any tab, click it to select it in the list, and then click the adjacent Delete button. Finally, click the OK button to close the Exceptions dialog box when finished. To add a word you commonly misspell to the list of words to automatically correct in Publisher, type the word the way you misspell it into the Replace field on the AutoCorrect tab of the AutoCorrect dialog box. Then type the correct spelling into the With field. Finally, click the Add button. Repeat this process to add all the words you commonly misspell. Optionally, to change other AutoCorrect features that automatically apply formatting when dealing with quotes, hyphens, and bulleted and numbered lists in Publisher, click the Auto Format as you type tab in the AutoCorrect dialog box. Then check or uncheck any automatic formatting options you want to apply or disable, respectively. To set the AutoCorrect options when finished, click the OK button in the AutoCorrect dialog box. Finally, click OK within the Options dialog box to apply the new AutoCorrect options in Publisher. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.